Hello everybody, and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. So this past weekend I was in my local beauty store and I saw a wig and I decided to drop in, do a quick hair review on this particular wig, and I hope you enjoy it. So this is made by the Brown Sugar line, and the unit's name is BS124. And I am going to be modeling her in a number 2. Stick with me, find out if I like this particular wig, and I will provide information. So if you're out and about and you happen to see her, maybe you'll have enough information to decide whether you want to purchase it or not. We'll be back with more information about the unit. This is what she looks like turned inside out. This is the construction of the cap. There are no additional combs in this wig. You only have the adjustable band that you see here at the nape of the wig. Well, we're almost there. Be back wearing her in a second. So I'm back, everybody, and I am wearing this particular unit. And I find this particular unit to be one that is actually easy to wear. She's a easy to wear kind of unit. One side is definitely longer than the other. This particular wig does have 100% human mixed fibers along with synthetic fibers. So you kind of dibble and dabble in both worlds, and that's why it gives it such a realistic look. Also, this particular wig is big head friendly. It does not fit tight around the perimeter. I've gotten wigs before that have been a little tight around the perimeter, but this one doesn't feel that way at all whatsoever. This is a number 2 in color that I am wearing. And let me turn to the sides in hopes of you seeing the wig. She is definitely a keeper, most definitely. I could wear this every day. Hopefully I have provided enough information for you to make an educated decision on whether you would like to purchase the wig. Again, I visited my local beauty store. I saw it and decided to quickly jump in and out with a video for you. If you would, leave comments for me. I enjoy responding to those who have left comments. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other, and I'll see you back here next week. Have a great day, everybody.